This is a 108 kilowatt wind turbine gearbox. An involute gearbox would be 42% larger than the convoloid gearbox if it was stressed to the same limits according to the American Gear Manufacturers Association standards. What that means is that the convoloid gearbox is 42% smaller, it is much less costly to produce, the power density goes way up, and the cost to produce that power goes way down. So that provides a major economic advantage to the manufacturer of this gearbox system.
Visit involutegearcomparison.com to compare your existing involute gears to Convoloid Gearing Technology and see the potential for yourself.